and the husband is a class 1 officer. He is posted at the BSNL corporate headquarters at Connaught Place, New Delhi. Therefore, he is earning well over 4 to 5 lakhs plus perks that they get as class 1
5
officer.
lakhs in a government job.
My lord, he was,
Which government officer has a salary of 5 lakhs? Please tell us.
my lord, along with perks, along with other benefits like
An honest
accommodation.
officer, what are the perks? You can't say if he's been given accommodation, you can't say he would have paid 80,000 rupees rent, so include that as an income. If he's been given an office car, please include that. That can't be included. You have to see what is his take home.
My lord, we don't have that value. Therefore, we are only speculating
He's
on the
what level
basis.
officer?
My lord, we have discussed, my lord.
He'll be what level officer? Secretary, joint secretary?
He is SDM, subdivisional officer, my lord, at BSNL.
So his salary will not be more than 1.5 lakhs. What is his take home?
My lord,
Net after statutory deductions.
that is 86,500 per month.
Now tell us. Forget about 5 lakhs. Tell us.
And
Because,
wife is well qualified lady, my lord. She is herself earning.
so assuming his income is 1 lakh. Now you tell us.
My lord,
When you calculate it 5 lakhs, your demand should be reduced to 20%.
my lord, then the offer would be 60 lakhs, and the duplex that is currently in the joint name of both the husband and
How
the
much is that worth today? That
The
duplex?
duplex was purchased sometime around 2003 or 2004, and it was purchased for about 13 lakhs.
What will be the market value today?
Currently, my lord, around 35 lakhs.
35 lakhs.
My lord.
So, my lord, it's a very reasonable offer with
Not more
60
than-
lakhs and with the duplex in the name of the wife.
So what is your
My lord, we have discussed with him yesterday, my lord. He is ready to pay around 40 lakhs as alimony.
Now?
40 lakhs as alimony.
over and above the duplex?
No, my lord. And apart from the 40 lakhs, my lord, he is ready to offer another duplex which is available at Bhopal district itself, my lord. And in the house she is claiming, my lord. So we are, and an entire family is residing, my lord. It is,
What you are offering is 40 lakhs plus a duplex.
my lord.
Another duplex.
My lord. Another duplex in the same city.
Why not give the same duplex? You buy another one?
My lord, so it is difficult for us to get it shifted from another. Entire family is residing there since long, my lord.
Duplex दूसरे में shift
My
हो
lord, she wants the house. I am offering the house to her, my lord. So that's no difficulty, my lord. Subject to clearance, my lord. If she is ready to take it, my lord,
40
we have
plus
no
duplex.
My lord, the wife's
40 plus a duplex.
flat.
You want 60 plus a duplex, give me 40 plus a duplex.
My lord, I think the duplex has to be the property which is the joint property currently. Currently, it's the brother's family who is living in that
Mr.
duplex.
Sagi, you are not staying there. So it doesn't matter to you whether it is A duplex or B duplex. You want accommodation. He will show you the duplex. If you're satisfied with it, accept it. And he's giving 40 lakhs.
My lord, if you give me permission, if I can.
We will not accept a duplex which is worth nothing. He's giving that duplex because he doesn't want the family to be disturbed. So it has to be commensurate to the one that he's living in.
My lord.
Similar duplex without any encumbrance in her name.
My lord.
And then she
And a
will
vacant possession, my lord.
And she has to give
Yes, yes,
LLC to
without any encumbrances, vacant possession, and she will surrender 50% rights in this
Yes.
plus 40 lakhs.
my lord.
And my lord, all the transfer charges, all the registration charges shall be borne by the husband.
Everything like that.
My lord, what he is offering, that is flat, not to play.
3 BHK फ्लैट है सर
3 BHK flat.
देखिए डुप्ले इनके नाम है आधा
डुप्लेक्स में सर ज्वाइंट रजिस्ट्री है
जॉइंट
इनका
तो
वाइफ
50% तो ओनर हो ही गए
सर वो उसकी अभी प्रेजेंट कास्ट 55 लैक्स के आसपास है डुप्लेक्स की
Okay.
यस और जो मैं ऑफर कर रहा हूँ उसकी कास्ट जो है फ्लैट की 3 BHK फ्लैट है उसकी कास्ट सर 30 लैक्स के आसपास
55 में से 27.5 तो इनका
आधा 50% तो सर 30 लैक्स में ऑफर कर रहा हूँ
50% तो इनका हो गया तो इनको डुप्ले लेके दीजिए
नहीं सर वो इनका जैसे ज्वाइंट है वो 50% मांग रही है तो 50% के हिसाब से तो
ज्वाइंट तो आप इनको दे नहीं रहे
30%
हो तो ज्वाइंट तो आप इनको दे नहीं रहे हो तो इनका हक है
नहीं ज्वाइंट में सर मैं रह रहा हूँ सर
That is purchased by-
I myself is having and I have just I have taken loan and the loan was just
Maybe, but-
adjusted from my salary.
ली तो इनके नाम ना
Pardon?
ली तो आधी इनके नाम
वो सर उस समय रजिस्ट्री मैंने इनके नाम से कराई कि अपने उस समय सर रिबेट मिल रहा था 1-2% का जस्ट दैट इंटरेस्ट वाज देयर और मुझे आगे का ही नहीं मालूम था कि आगे ऐसी सिचुएशन होगी
जो भी सिचुएशन है
हाँ।
वो तो आपको बेयर करनी पड़ेगी
नहीं सर इसमें तो सर
What my humble submission
I
is,
am
he
offering-
wants house and we are offering another house, my lords.
Sir.
He can very well go to and visit that.
He wants her duplex.
Lords.
Give her her duplex.
That would be difficult for us, my lords, to get it
You
settled
don't
to
want
another place.
brother's family to be vacated. Give her another duplex of similar cost. 40 तो आप दे ही रहे हैं 40 के ऊपर ये दे रहे हैं दे दिए उनको
नहीं
duplex.
सर इससे मैक्सिमम आई एम ऑफरिंग मैक्सिमम साइट सर दिस इज माय हम्बल सबमिशन
Yesterday
आई एम ऑफरिंग
he-
मैक्सिमम साइट
क्या offer कर रहे हैं?
यस सर
Yesterday he was offering 20 lakhs, my lords, and today, my lord, he is exceeding to his maximum limit of 40 lakhs, my lords.
सारी कंडीशन आज तक उन्होंने क्लियर नहीं
So you are giving 40 plus that flat.
My lords.
फ्लैट की कीमत 30 लाख है.
35.
Around 35,
Around
30 to 35.
35.
Yes, 30 to 35.
35 हो गए.
Yeah, previous.
40.
Yeah.
आप भोपाल रहते हैं?
Riva.
मैं प्रेजेंट अपनी माँ के पास रह रही हूँ
तो कहाँ भोपाल?
रीवा में
Riva, Riva.
रीवा में रह रही हूँ
रीवा में.
Yes, sir.
तो ये आपको 75 लाख देंगे. फ्लैट छोड़िए 75 लाख दे देंगे.
My lords.
40 प्लस 35 का फ्लैट कह रहे हैं ना, तो 75 लाख लीजिए. कोई
घर पे
आप अपना जो मर्जी ले लीजिए.
जी.
रीवा में खरीद लीजिए, या तो आप कहते हैं तो 35 लाख का रीवा में कुछ ले देंगे आपको.
सर प्रेस पे कुछ अवेलेबल नहीं
My lords, my humble submission would be, my lords.
आप भोपाल रहते नहीं,
नहीं.
यस
तो ये 35 का फ्लैट कह रहे थे, 40 ऊपर से दे रहे हैं, 75 लाख मिला के आपको दे देंगे. आप अपने आप जो खरीदना है खरीद लीजिए. रीवा में खरीदना है, भोपाल में खरीदना है, जबलपुर में खरीदना है, 75 लाख आपको दे देंगे. इनको कोई आपको जो मर्जी उससे करें. प्रॉपर्टी खरीदें ना खरीदें आपके ऊपर.
सर उनके बदले में इनको क्लियरेंस भी देना पड़ेगा रिगार्ड एनओसी दैट शी विल बी क्लेमिंग नो इंटरेस्ट ओवर द जॉइंट प्रॉपर्टी में.
ज्वाइंट प्रॉपर्टी तो सरेंडर करेंगे अपना सारी 50% आपके फेवर में सरेंडर करेंगे. तभी तो 35-30 लाख रुपए मिल रहे हैं. 35 लाख.
सर मेरे पास जिम्मेदारी अभी बिटिया की भी है सर
हाँ जी.
मैरिज
ये exceeding 40 लाख.
यू सी
मतलब
75 अभी दे दो, 5 लाख 4 महीने बाद दे दो.
नहीं सर, 75 है, उसमें भी सर मेरे को समय चाहिए सर.
आप देखिए अगर फ्लैट लेंगे स्टैंप ड्यूटी कितनी है. अगर 35 लाख का फ्लैट खरीदते हैं स्टैंप ड्यूटी कितनी है. खर्चा तो आपको उठाना पड़ता है लेके देने का.
नहीं सर, कैश देने में मुझे अरेंज करने में थोड़ा समय लग सकता है. उसके लिए मैं
चलो वी कैन वर्क इट आउट. पहले अमाउंट तो सेटल हो. अगर आप 35 लाख का फ्लैट इनको दे रहे होते तो कितना स्टैंप ड्यूटी लगती है उसपे. व्हाट इज द स्टैंप ड्यूटी?
अराउंड 4 to 5 lakhs.
10% के आसपास भी आप लगाइए तो 3.5-4 लाख रुपए तो स्टैंप ड्यूटी लगती है. वो आप समझ लीजिए यहाँ चले गए. ये फिर जो लेंगे अपने आप अपने खर्चे पे लेंगे.
30 lakhs को कंप्लीट ज्यादा हो जाएगा. 50 plus 30 का 5 इसमें 75 टोटल.
Lord, my humble submission would be, my lord, she is a well qualified lady. She herself earning well, my lords. And my lord, she,
Don't go back on that track now.
my lord.
It is only 75 to 80, 7, all right, 40 plus 35, फिर स्टैम्प ड्यूटी भरेंगे 4 लाख की. 80 तो वहीं पहुंच गया.
75 टोटल सर. सर ये ज्यादा इट विल बी मच सर. आई हैव ऑलरेडी ट्राइंग टू प्रोवाइड मैक्सिमम साइड. So please, this is my humble submission that 75, not more than 75, sir. It will be too much, sir.
कितने आ रही है?
There is no order regarding 90 lakhs, my lords.
90
It is her calculation, my lords.
Anyways, 75, आप 75 तो हमने कह दिया. आप तो 40 प्लस फ्लैट दे रहे थे 35 लाख का.
40 सर ठीक है, वो 40 फ्लैट
प्लस फ्लैट दे रहे थे 35 लाख का, उसकी रजिस्ट्री लगाते.
सर.
मिस्टर शर्मा, we need your good offices to
I agree.
bridge the gap.
Last night we said together and brought you to this
We'll
point.
tell you where we progress to.
जी.
He said 40, first he said duple, then he said I'll give the flat. He said the flat is worth about 35.
35 then import आज की तारीख से क्या cost है? 30 के आसपास.
You're very difficult for him now, Mr. Sharma.
No.
I was saying 40 plus 30, 40 plus flat. She doesn't live in Bhopal. She said, give me the duple. We said, forget it. Take 35 lakhs instead of flat. 40 plus 35 we offered. She said, give me 18 full and fine. So we told him if you were to give flat, registration would be 10% of that, whatever is the value. It would be about 3.5-4 lakhs for registration. So it works out to about 80. So she's wanting 80. Give 80. And she will surrender the,
25 sir, I'm the maximum size sir. Already. Much difficult.
and she will also surrender her rights in the loop by whatever document you want. हो जाएगा, take some time. Take some time to pay it.
75 बहुत stretch करके सर.
बहुत ज्यादा सर भाई.
It's a matter of couple of lakhs only.
Sir,
And take some time to pay it with.
My position is very acquired sir.
एक बात से सुनिए. कुछ समय मिल जाएगा तो दे पाएंगे.
समय आपको चाहिए है, लेकिन सर उसको 75
40 वाला तो अभी कर दीजिए, फिर फ्लैट बेच दीजिए, उसका जो पैसा आएगा प्लस मिला के दे दीजिए.
You were saying flat was 35 when he bought it. So it must be more now.
पता नहीं जो भी वो बेच देंगे फ्लैट.
So, no, she wants money because रहना इन्होंने है नहीं भोपाल में, रीवा में रह रहे हैं. So he may or may not sell the flat. It's up to him. Duple rights she will surrender with whatever document you want prepared. You want relinquishment deed, sale deed, gift deed, whatever you want at your expense, she'll do it. He'll execute those papers.
ऑफ करके खत्म कर.
की कंडन कर
80 कर दीजिए. अब तो टोटल 80 बट कुछ टाइम मिल जाएगा.
हाँ
ठीक है सर.
In how much time?
कितने 6 महीने का समय चाहिए.
In what installments? It can't be 80 lakhs at the end of the month, but
40 अभी दे
40
40 अभी दे देंगे
40 now.
फ्लैट
and,
डिस्पोज करने में सर समय लग सकता है
फ्लैट बेच के बाकी दे देंगे
उसके बाद
के थ्रू
आपको गारंटीड मिलेगा।
सर कोर्ट के
40 अभी, हाँ जी,
कोर्ट के थ्रू ही सब हो सर।
कोर्ट का ऑर्डर होगा 80 लाख देने का, 40 अभी देंगे, अंडरटेकिंग देंगे, 40 आपको 6 महीने के अंदर अंदर दे देंगे। और जो भी प्रॉपर्टी के पेपर्स आपने साइन करने हैं, वो जब 6 लाख जब लास्ट में देंगे तब आप साइन करिए।
सर जब अपने वकील साहब के सामने ही करेंगे।
आपके वकील साहब तो पहले हाँ कह रहे, ठीक है। So there is already a decree of divorce.
हाँ decree of divorce which has been challenged man.
Take down. Parties are present in court in person. They have, after long deliberation, they have settled their disputes.
नहीं है भाई ये at 29
Respondent husband
सारे सेटल करा
undertakes that he shall pay a sum of rupees 80 lakhs to the appellant in full and final settlement of all her claims towards past, present, future maintenance and permanent alimony. The appellant, who is present in court in person,
सॉरी कृष्ण
undertakes that he shall surrender her rights, her
बच्चों की तरफ से
rights in the, you have the number of the document?
That's 429
That on payment of rupees 80 lakhs,
yes
she shall also surrender her rights.
क्या पता डुप्लेक्स का नंबर
जिसमें मैं रह रहा हूँ ज्वाइंट रजिस्टर Y8
Y8
फॉर्चून ग्लोरी Y8 फॉर्चून ग्लोरी पवड़िया कलर
ऊपर Y8 Y8 फॉर्च्यून ग्लोरी आ गया
Her 50% rights, no, her entire rights, i.e. 50% share in property number so and so in favor of the respondent. Her, the undertaking of any